Hey, good morning. Good morning. Hello, everybody. Happy Monday morning. How's it going, everybody? How's it going? Good morning. Best guess trading. How's it going? Nathan Ramirez. Good morning, Coco Bella, Emmanuel, Niles. Good morning, Timbo, R5 Studios, Dean Bishop, Rippin' and Dippin', Jack Wiley, Lo-Fi Studios, Crypto Calls, Sky Matt. Good morning, fellas. Okay, let's do this. Hey, Kiss Me I Cook. Good morning. Good to see you. All right. All right, market. What's it going to be? We had a little bit of a start of the day didn't got some losses. We got some red on the charts already. Not how we want to start our day, but it is what it is. John, good morning, John. Hey, we did. I had a great weekend. It was kind of a uneventful weekend, which is sometimes a good thing. Did not do a whole lot this weekend. Matty Matt, good morning, Matty Matt. Yuki Yak, good morning. Why do you use the 150Ks and not the 50? I don't know. I just prefer it, I guess. I don't know. I think both are fine. I kind of switch between the 50Ks and the 150s. Starts par bogey. Let's just say I ended triple, double. You shot a 106 yesterday at my golf tournament. Let's go, Matty Matt. Hey, join the gang, man. Oh no, it was 5.5 hours. Oh man, that's rough. That is rough. That makes it so much worse when you're playing really bad and it's slow play. I have walked off a course in the past when it's that slow of play and I'm having a bad day. Yeah, I'll just walk off. I'm like, yeah, you know what, guys, I'm out of here. Good morning, Bilal. Fred Yeager, good morning. Aluatosin, good morning. Mr. Jones, good morning, fellas. All right, market is open now in the overnight session. Had a just kind of a slow, steady sell-off. And that's I got a little bit too aggressive on thinking that the market only goes higher. And that's where I took my losses in the overnight session. You hate to see it, but it is what it is. We're not gonna trade these Apex accounts. We're done trading those accounts. We'll try to recover those accounts tomorrow. If you're not aware, if you don't follow me on Twitter, you don't know this, but these 3 Tradeify accounts are officially moving to a live account. So we got the email on Saturday from Tradeify that we are going to a live account on these 3 accounts. So I guess now we wait. We just got to wait till they have my live account set up. And then we just keep plugging away, I guess. Jay Jackson, thank you. You were there. Let's go, Jay. Appreciate that. Martman, 38, 44, 82 on Saturday, blew up on the back 9. Oh, that's not too bad, Martman. That's a good round of golf, man. I guess nothing like blowing 5 PAs and then having to wait for a bunch of slow asshats on a golf course. Yeah, you talk that really would get my attention. That really would get my attention. I love to be a bogey golfer. That's a 90, which sounds good to me. Yeah. Honestly, I mean, right now, if I play a good round, if I play okay, for me, if I play a decent round of golf, I'm usually like anywhere from 9 over to 12 over in 18 holes. That's kind of and that's my handicap. If I play really good, I can play even par golf. I have in the past that I played even par, but then I'll also have times where if I'm playing terrible, I can rack up a round of 18 to 20 over in a round of that's kind of my bad round. My bad round is like 18 to 20 over. My average round is like 9 to 12, and then a really good round is even par or like 1 to 2 over. So that's kind of the parameter right now that I'm under. All right, market. I mean, right now, as long as this 980, 970 holds, I think we go higher. No reason to think we won't, but at the same time, we had kind of a slow sell off in the overnight, so I'm not going to get too crazy aggressive this morning. And we're going to be trading our Apex Group 3. Our third group of Apex 150s, this group right here. We're going to focus on these 5 accounts, trading those today. And then we might, if we get to a certain profit target, we'll switch to the 50Ks. I probably should trade these 50Ks. I haven't even touched them yet, so we'll get to those. Look at that. Mad Cow is in the building. Good morning, Mad Cow. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you treated the missus really well. Amelia, good morning. Digital content, good morning. Mark, good morning. RH, I have been playing golf my whole life and was a pro for a year after college. Oh, wow, Mark, that's awesome. Key to scoring is 50 yards and in. 100%, Mark. I cannot agree more with you. You know what I've discovered about my game? And this sounds kind of weird, and hopefully it doesn't sound like a flex, but I have discovered I actually score better. I score better when I play from the tips. It's kind of weird, but my worst shot is like 100 to and if my second shot is like at 110 yards to 60 yards, that is my worst distance to get. Like, I don't know why. I feel like it takes way more distance control. And when I have to slow down my swing, not really slow down my swing, but when I have to do the distance control on wedge shots, like 60 yards, 80 yards, 100 yards, 110 yards, in that area of distance is where I am the worst at. I don't know why. If I'm really close around the green, I can chip really well, but around that 110 yards to 60, 50 yards, I'm just bad. I'm so inconsistent. I would rather be 150 yards away from the green or 170 or 180 yards away where I can hit a full 8-iron, a full 9-iron. I will take that shot every day. And so I often play better from the tips just because my average drive is 280, 290. And then usually I'm like 140 to 150 from the green, and it's so much better. Wait, Amelia has a birthday? Some of our best memories are playing on the course together. Oh, that's so awesome, Mark. Oh, I want to. Wait. That's something my son right now, he actually is starting to get into golf a little bit. I try not to like push him too much. I try not to like force him to play golf. I want him to want to play. I want him to like playing golf. So I don't want to force him to, but I definitely am, and I encourage him And I would love to. I love playing golf with him. All right, market. Are we going to get above VWAP and hold this? I do like. I just don't. I don't know. Right now, this morning, this overnight session kind of scared me. I'm not going to lie. I got trapped. I got trapped right here. Like my losses in the overnight session was. Hang on. Where am I? So right here, this green candle, I trapped here, stopped out, and then I tried it again right here. Should have taken my profit, got stopped out again. That's where I gave up. But the overnight session definitely has me a little bit suspicious of longs. If we look at the daily chart, I mean, the daily chart, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've had 9 green days in a row. And it's kind of at that point where I kind of half expect us to pull back a little bit today. I still think overall we're bullish, but I'm not sure if we're just going to keep having green day after green day. So I'm just a little bit hesitant on longs. And that's kind of my thesis, my theory. Currently, I want to be careful with longs. If we start to sell off down below the 980s, we test, like if we go down below the 970s, then I will definitely start looking for shorts. But I have to just be patient today. I feel like today could be one of those days where we just kind of choppy after a couple 2 weeks of run up. Bullish until the next tweet. You hate the Asian session? Oh man, that's with how I trade, my order fills me at the 1-to-1. Oh, I see. Nutty, do you have any info on this situation if it is coming with Apex? I'm not in the Discord or anything. I just trade and my 150K PA just disappeared. Little Millie trades. I mean, I have heard that. Give me a minute. Whoa, big sell off, big pullback here. Little Millie trades. I am literally screenshotting and sending this to Apex to get information and clarity on the situation. There is definitely something going on. There's something. Hey, let me ask you, Little Millie trades. How long has it been since you have traded that account? Also, Rust22F. Rust22F. I'm trying to get some information. And I am trying to escalate. I'm trying to get the situation escalated. I'm reaching out to Apex and what is going on, because that definitely should not be happening, and it's just some kind of, it's an error. It feels it's been a while. Can you give me an estimated time? Like, how long has it been since you've traded that account? I'm trying to gather enough information to where, because I verify with Apex that there is no inactivity rule. So even if you haven't traded it for 6 months, you should still not, that account should not disappear. Niles, Apex canceled one of my PAs. It just disappeared. Niles, how long has it been open? Okay, so it's been several months since you traded right now. Okay, so Alan Couch, it was 3 months for you. Okay, Art Bow, I had 3 PAs last week. They are older than 1 year. Okay. So anywhere from 2 months to 3 months to 1 year. Low key, they all blew their accounts. Just kidding. Okay, Niles, you hadn't traded it in 6 months. Okay, Little Millie trades just maybe 4 months. But on my 50K, I trade every day. But did the 50K account disappear as well? Oh, I see what you were doing, Niles.